What's going on, everybody? Just got done filming the uh, Elite series, the Elite chart analysis for Ryan's Radar, and we are looking at a few continuations, right? So last night we didn't really get the pullbacks we were wanting. We did get directional moves, and the way that this did drop is showing me that we are going to continue. The higher time frames show it, like the 4 hour and the daily. All of them are showing continuation patterns. This one specifically, we got the EMA super tight. And when they get tight like this and prices consolidate, you can kind of see it's kind of in this downwards channel right here. When it does that, it tends to stick to it. And the only thing that comes with it is a slight pullback up, like I have drawn here to retest the blueberry, maybe go a little bit higher, maybe would meet up to the 50, who knows? But in this general area, and then we'll see price drop back down because we have 1 week demand right here. And that 1 week demand is exactly where price is going before it decides to do anything. If we go to the weekly real quick, you can see, look, it's going right into this zone. This one candlestick is the entire zone on the weekly. I'll even draw it out real quick. Boom, boom, and done. Right. So that is the weekly zone. And then, there, of course, you got the daily. So if it doesn't just wick this line, it'll go a little bit farther down, closer to where the actual move was, that big move. And then we'll catch a setup for a buy. So sells the next day or two, and then reversals either Thursday or Friday or next week. Right. So just be careful. Then we got GBPUSD. It's kind of got the same, well, kind of has the same exact idea. And again, no sign of a bullish move, no divergence on the 4 hour. All I see is continuations. There's no divergence here on the 1 hour. The only thing I might see is actual hidden divergence, which I don't actually talk about a lot, but it's essentially the best. The best hidden divergence is when price pulls back to the 50 EMA, and the peak of this point right here and the peak of where this will be divergent on the TDI, meaning I'll have price going downwards like this, but the TDI will be going up like that. And the high of the move that touches the 50 EMA right here will be higher than this peak right here because this peak is lined up with this peak. And if that peak, if these align and this ends up going higher, then we'll look for a sell once it gets up here. That just kind of confirms the direction for where we want this to go, right? So that's going to be our best bet. And that's probably going to actually be how we do it. That used to be my signature trade where I would just wait for price to hit that 50 and I would then take it. But sometimes it takes a little bit longer than expected. Regardless, it does make the move. And then we have USDJPY. So currently, I am actually in a buy on this. Reason being is because it actually went down and retested daily demand here. It wicked it the last 3 days. And we have a low within this bullish candle, and we have an indecision candle here, kind of giving us that they're wanting to push up a little bit, right? I think we are going to see them drop overall, but I do believe that we are going to go upwards. So this is a counter trend trade. This isn't something that I can say with I can tell you guys to do it, but this is from my experience that when I see price consolidate in this way, uh, and it doesn't reverse like how it's came up here, formed that top part, came up, retested, and then dropped. This is just consolidation to have us push up into this area and then go up, right? And this area right here is recent supply. So what they'll do is they'll go up, consolidate in it because every single time price hits something like this, it tends to consolidate or just pull back a little bit. And then once it does that, we'll have it shoot up towards these supply points. I think it's going to go up to this 1 hour zone. There probably is a 15-minute that I haven't drawn up yet, but let's see. Because the smaller the time frame you go, the more precise it gets. So we got this area right here, which is a 15-minute zone. So if that goes up there, then that's a really good day overall and would be about 90 pips, anywhere from 80 to 90 pips. So let's see how it goes. But you guys got your analysis for the day. You got your direction. We're looking for continuation drops on EU and GU, and then we're looking for potential moves up on UJ. With that being said, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and we'll kick some butt then. See you later.